My name is Nathan. My fourth day at this challenge. I've been in the academy 3 months now. I'm focusing on rent to service accommodation, and that's why I'm here.
Fantastic. And how has it been? How has the event been?
Oh, it's been amazing. The energy's priceless. Networking, information, all the hacks and the gems from Samuel. Absolutely priceless, honestly.
Incredible. And what have you been able to achieve so far on the academy? Have you managed to get any leads?
I've had a few deals that fell through, unfortunately, but we keep going. With the script he's just given us 5 minutes ago, I've been able to get a viewing booked on Saturday. So onwards and upwards.
What's that
for? That is for a 2-bed, 1-bath in Canary Wharf. And that I plan to do that rent to SA, and I'm planning to deal source it. Yeah.
So tell me a bit about Samuel, like him on stage. What's his energy like?
Infectious. That's why we're here, because I was here 2 months back when the first deal selling course, and obviously you're here, you're buzzing, and then you go away, you go back to your normal life, your normal routine, family, working, and you try to keep up that energy, you try to go in the circles. But when you're here, it's just a totally different experience.
Incredible. And if you could just, what is kind of the best thing about this, like about the event?
Honestly, I would say the energy. Obviously, the knowledge, but the energy is priceless. You've got everyone on the same path, like-minded people, everyone that wants to see you succeed. Honestly, the energy. I've always personally said energy doesn't lie, and energy doesn't lie. It's priceless.
And to somebody who's thinking about coming on down, what would you say to them?
Do it ASAP. Do it ASAP, honestly. Best self-investment I've done.